install hardwood floor in here. And we're going to start out with the underlayment. And this stuff is Echo Ultra Quiet Premium Acoustic Underlayment. This is for basically all types of wood flooring, nail down for OSB, glue down, whatever you've got. This will do it all. This is one of the more highly rated ones. I've never actually used this stuff before. Looks like it's a little more cumbersome to install, but it provides you that really good echo resistance for one thing, but also the sound deadening when you walk on it. Down. I don't know if you guys can probably see it on there. Yeah. This red strip, that's adhesive tape. So that plastic flap that I cut off of that wall side, the next piece will have it on there, and I'll be able to pull that adhesive strip and then it will adhere to it and stay in place. So I've got two pieces down, they're butted up right up against each other. You can see them here. And this outer piece, this one here, has this plastic film on it. And this other one has this red strip. And then this lays right down on top and bonds to that strip. Seems to work pretty well, so hopefully if you ever do this, it's very important that you mix the boxes together as you lay them out on the floor. The color, the staining can be different from box to box to box, and you want to mix them up to make it match and look more even across the entire floor. I'm starting on this wall. Obviously, we've laid out the boards. But because I want the seam between the carpet and the hardwood to line up right underneath of the door, this first row actually needs to have 1.5 inches taken off of it from the wall down there all the way to the edge of the door frame. So that's going to put us right here. Home Depot getting ready to pick up the doors for the office.
I would go darker.
What color? Really?
Yep.
This? Not that?
That looks too much the same.
What are you thinking here? You really want to go darker?
Yep.
Penetrating wood stain, a classic.
You're gonna have to fold a job.
Alright, we picked our stain. Currently we're gonna stain them dark. We're gonna stain $1,000 worth of doors too dark.
Whatever, lime green. Let's go.
Oh god.
CA glue, or Zap-A-Gap in this case, and this is the stuff that sets it off. So you put a little bit of this on there and you zap it with a can of this, and then you'll let the wood glue dry. Seems to work pretty well. So we checked the fit first. That one's a little big. I cut a couple of them just to make sure I'd get the right fit. So that one's the one, this one here. So we put a little bit of wood glue on there. And then we zap it. And quickly get it in place. Glue on the wall, which is not good now.
Well, that about wraps this one up. We got the floors installed. I bought the doors and trim. I didn't film any of the finishing of the doors and trim. This is Hemlock, I believe, and these were unfinished doors and unfinished trim, so it was a lot lighter color. We got them. We got some stain that was going to bring them to a more similar color to the floor. Put a couple of coats of stain on there, did some pre-stain, then this two layers of stain and two coats of polyurethane. Got them down here and you guys saw me install them. Got the door put in, then the closet doors mounted and got those all dialed in. Finished doing the trim, as you saw me put down that last piece. Overall pretty happy with it. It really changes the feel of the room. I've got a few more minor things to do, nothing too crazy. We're going to go ahead and change out these white plugins for some brown ones with some wood covers around them, and the light switches too. We'll get that done shortly, and then we'll be on to building the desk. So I'm going to build a custom desk for in here, and that's been a long time in the coming. I'm really looking forward to doing that. But as far as this goes, I'm pretty happy with it. Definitely a big change. Feels a lot nicer in here. In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you got something out of it. Appreciate you guys watching. Maybe check out some of these other links. I'll have my garage series of build up here in the corner, tractor series. Check that one out, and definitely hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for watching.